Hi, I have recently designed a reporting management system for marketing agency. The purpose of this development was that we can run marketing campaigns for our different clients on Klaviyo, but every time for each client, if we want to see what's the subscriber growth, what is the engagement by flow, or what is the engagement by campaign. So we have to extract reports for every week and inserts into a Google Sheet like this, uh, something like this. So we have to insert something like this and that, and then we have to bring out data. So it would become very difficult for the client that they have to do all of this stuff. So what I have designed for them is that this is the database architecture diagram. I designed this database architecture in Supabase. Here you can see the tables. So metrics are there, and then I'm fetching all the campaigns uh, data and their statistics, how many are recipients, how much is open rate, click rate, unsubscribe rate, what is the revenue coming up from there. Similarly for flows, and similarly for subscribers. So there is this is the way I'm doing it. And then here are two applications. One is user management, because we have two type of user. One is admin, second is manager, and third one is the client. So we take the client here and the Klaviyo API key of that client, and then we click on fetch last year statistics. This way we fetch last year Klaviyo data for subscribers, campaigns, and flows, and also we can see the progress of the workflow, and it triggers these workflows. I can show you here. My bad, give me a moment. So I can show you here this one. It fetch for all the it runs this workflow every Monday for all the clients and fetch the latest data. So this is the main for workflow to iterate every client, and then for each client we run it every Monday workflow which fetches subscribers, campaigns, and flow of each client. So it will populate every Monday. But the last year statistics data and the logic, this resides within this application, and it fetch one because that's a one-time logic, so there's no need to define a workflow for that. So we have that logic within this application. In a resultant of all of this data fetching from Klaviyo, I have made this reporting system that you can see here. What is the list growth, what is the current year statistics, what was the last year statistics. Similarly, here we can check YOY here, and here is the list growth, showing with monthly table how many subscribers we have within the 26, 24, and here is the complete detailing of email performance, where coming up from the campaigns and coming up from the flows. Here is the life cycle design of it, and that way I have developed the complete system. So you asked for an example, so here it is. Thank you.